Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Hiddie, and if you want to know how I created this look for the Face Awards 2018, then keep on watching. First, I'm going to apply this soft focus primer all over my face and my neck, and then I'll apply this white cream paint on my face as a base. Since I don't have any pink cream color, so I'll use this pink liquid suede as my cream contour. And of course, apply an eyeshadow base before doing my eye makeup. Set the face makeup using this HD finishing powder. Moving on to the eyes, I'll do a cut crease using orange eyeshadow and wing it out to my hairline. Using the same orange color, I'll do a thick wing liner and wing it out to the same direction. Using this orange liquid suede as a cream color, and I'll deepen up the cut crease. Taking the same orange color and blending it upwards from the cut crease. Some pigmentation will be lost after the blending, so always go back to add more color. Adding some yellow eyeshadow and blending them out. I'll intensify the wing liner using this red Vivid Brights liquid eyeliner. Putting some white eyeshadow underneath my lower lash lines. And going back to the orange eyeshadow and map out where I want my thick lower lash lines to be. Deepen it up with a purple eyeshadow and also winging it out underneath the red liner. Using the same red liquid liner, I'm going to intensify the cut crease. And I'll also do a black liner. I'll add more orange eyeshadow on where I'm applying, so my eyes will look more lifted even when I'm opening my eyes. I'll go over the purple eyeshadow using this liquid suede. And then I'll go back to the black liquid liner and draw the wing liner between the red and the purple. I'll do some highlight on my cut crease using this yellow liquid liner. Use a blue eyeshadow to map out two little triangles underneath my eyes, and then I'll fill them in with a blue liquid liner. also adding some more detail and highlight using this yellow liquid liner. To make it a more carnival style makeup, I had to add some green color so my eye makeup looks more colorful and happy. Adding some more eyeliner in my inner corner so my eyes will look nicer, longer and prettier. Putting some glitter glue on top of the blue triangles, and on top I'll use these face and body glitters. I'll also add 2 blue stars underneath the blue triangles. And then I'll put on some lashes. And for my lower lash lines, I'm using these wicked lashes. For the face contour, I'm using this pink ombre blush. And for the blush, I picked this bright orange color. And I'm adding some yellow on top as a highlight. Using the same yellow and orange color, and I'll contour my mouth. And I'll contour my nose using an orange eyeshadow. And for my lips, I'll be using these 2 colors. First, I'll apply the orange color all over my lips and blending it out with the Q-tip. And then I'll apply the red color on the center of my lips to create a gradient lips effect. Since this is a fun and happy look, so I'm drawing some freckles on my face. They're like confettis flying in the party. Adding more white dots because I think freckles are cute. Applying some white cream paint on my neck, my body and my ears. Then apply the same pink liquid suede on my neck. Deepen the color using the pink ombre blush. Put on the color contact before I put cream paint and glitters all over my body and my hands. Adding some bling blings on my brows. Finally, the face makeup is done. Moving on to the neck, I'm applying this holographic face and body glitters all over my neck and my body. Put on the ugly wig cap and the wig. This wig is too long and crazy, so I definitely need some help from my friend. Also, I sprinkle some glitters on top of the wig since I don't have any hair accessory this time. After doing my hair, I also paint my arms and my hands so they match my face. One last step I forgot is to put on some Born to Glow highlighter, and this look is completed. So this is my Carnival makeup look for the Face Awards 2018. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to show me some love and support or fly me to LA, please don't forget to vote for me from tomorrow until the 12th of July. Also, please don't forget to like this video, follow my Instagram and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for the support again, and I love you guys. Bye!
唔得，好假啊啲戲，勁尷尬咯！呢個笑容。